Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. For today's recipe, we are making a lime mint iced tea. This drink is very refreshing and also very delicious and perfect for Ramadan time. So for this recipe, we actually use fresh mint leaves that we grew at our home, and you can also grow your own at home, or if you don't have them, you can obviously buy it from the store. We just prefer using fresh ingredients that we make at home. So for the ingredients of this video, you will need 2 limes, a handful of mint leaves, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and ice, but this is optional. So for the first step, go ahead and add the sugar, mint leaves, and lime juice into the blender. If you don't have limes at home, you can use the store-bought lime juice, but once again, we just like to use whole and full ingredients when making our recipes. Now go ahead and blend all the ingredients together. So you can go ahead and strain the mixture if you would like, or you can leave it as is if you want more fiber. Add ice to the cups that you're putting the mixture inside of, and then divide the mixture between the glasses. And fill the rest up with water. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching.